Hey, good day everyone. Well, if you bought one of these VEVOR brand pole saws, it comes with a detachable little handheld chainsaw here, and I absolutely love the thing. It's a great product, but one of the problems I encountered was my chain fell off, which always does. As these chains stretch, they fall off. So I thought, well, how do you get this? Where's the adjustment screw for this? The answer is that there is not an adjustment screw for it. If you try to push on it with your hands, it feels like it won't move. Now here's how I figured this out. I just put this on here. What it actually does, you can actually push it with this. See, that's your adjustment right there. So I'll go ahead and put the chain on. I'm gonna match these teeth with that there, so I know I've got the right direction. Go ahead and put it around that hub there. Put it through those two holes. If you push on it like that, you can get this up and around the drive hub there. And then it's all spring loaded. Push on it again. I can get this up and around here. Get it to ride in the bar there. There we go. So again, no adjustment screw. You just take and you push that thing. And that's to get it on or off. And then now you can just put this back on. And we'll take the battery receptacle and then the battery itself. Put it back on there.